So now that we have our Venn diagram made, we're going to turn that into a cladogram. Okay, I'm going to start out the same way that I did last time with a line. I'm going to do weight 4 from the bottom left to the top right. Okay, so the first thing I see is that all of the species have vertebrae. So that means that my first dash goes in front of the fish. If the fish didn't have vertebrae, then it would go over here. We use this line, Control C, Control V. I'm going to move this to the fish. And it comes off the line here. Okay. The frog, all of the remaining animals after the fish, they all have 4 limbs. So this will be in a similar place. Control C, Control V. And the frog comes over here. And next we have amniotic egg. All of the remaining animals have amniotic eggs. Control C, Control V. Guess I'm doing this one out of order. Okay, this is where it gets weird, and it gets weird because 2 species have hair and fur, 2 species have an eggshell. So we're stuck with where do we put the next characteristic. So I'm going to make my dash, and we'll think about putting it here. So we're up to hair and fur. Hair or fur. If I put hair fur here, that would mean that the gorilla doesn't have hair or fur. So that'd be the wrong place to put it. It would also mean that the lizard and the bird does have hair and fur. So it can't go there. So how we can show that the gorilla has hair and fur, but the lizard and bird don't, is by putting it here. Now this leaves us with a problem. We still need to say that the rodent has hair or fur. So the way that we can do that is by branching here. It has to be after the hair or fur, so on this side of it. So I'm going to copy this line. Just like that. So this shows that the gorilla and the rodent have hair and fur, but the lizard and the bird don't. Lastly, we have eggshell. So I'm going to copy. And that's our last characteristic. The one last thing we have to do is give the lizard a line for itself. And then we're done. So the lizard and the bird have an eggshell, the gorilla and rodent have hair and fur, and we're good to go. So save and close. And there it is. Okay,